Here we go again. I just closed 2 nest boxes, and now they're already trying to build their own nests. These budgies are really something. Don't want to breed them, at least not now. Even though budgies can breed more than once a year, it doesn't mean they should. If they breed too often, the females become weak, and stressed birds might start eating their own eggs, or even harm their babies. And here she is, the little troublemaker, a young female, already acting like she's ready to build a nest, even though she's still too young for that. Keeping budgies in an aviary is a whole different world compared to having just a few indoors. In the aviary they have more space, more freedom, but also more drama. They grow faster, get curious earlier, and sometimes create chaos before they're even ready. His colors are so unique and beautiful, like a tiny storm cloud with sunshine on his face.